How y'all on this fine day? We over here at J&K Bynum's, just goofing around here in the shop. I don't know if y'all have any problems with mice and stuff, but I do, along with a bunch of my friends there. I have found a new solution to this problem. Tired of my birds being ate up by little mice. They just raping their feathers off of them, just uncontrollably. But I have got me a new solution. I can't bring my 410 in here. I have holes everywhere. But I'll show y'all. Got me a new rifle. Yep. Well, it's been here, but I confiscated it. I'll show y'all here in a minute. Show y'all the new barn rifle. Here it is right here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, 760 Pump Master. Yes, sir. I got some pretty bad mobsters from Philadelphia, Mississippi. They've been an outlaw for a while. Well, I done put the law on them. Oh, Pink Assassin BB gun. Yes, sir. That will solve all y'all's rat problems. Just pick you a bucket out, sit on it, and go to having some fun. Which I done killed a lot more than that. These old birds. Look at that. Old hen said, "You ain't getting me today." They're a pretty feisty bunch there. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna sit back down in my easy chair, and I'm probably gonna smoke me some more rats. My little girl get home. She'll be glad to take over. She likes shooting stuff. I don't blame her. I like it too. It's fun. Well, we over here at J&K Bynum's using the old Pink Assassin, eradicating a problem. And I'm just plumb sick and tired of it. We've done tried everything from rat poison, the 5-gallon bucket trick with peanut butter on the little spindle. That caught a good bitty of them, but we still having loads of problems. Well, we'll turn y'all loose. Keep watching us on Facebook and YouTube. Hit your like button on YouTube and subscribe it to everybody. We just have fun around here. Loads of it. We'll see y'all later. Bye.